What does pending mean on Snapchat? Guys, in this video I'm gonna explain what does pending mean on Snapchat and how you can figure out this problem. A Snapchat pending label usually appears under a friend's name in the chat tab under his friend's name on the profile and within a DM or conversation. So why does it say pending on Snapchat? The pending label means that Snapchat hasn't been able to send it. Unlikely, a generic error message to a Snapchat pending warning also means that the application will continue to attempt sending until it's either received or choose to cancel the entire process manually. This error is almost always caused by one of the following questions. The first is the person hasn't approved your friend request. Snapchat users must confirm a friend request before Snapchat can send the message to them. The second one is that the person has unfriended you. While you may have been Snapchat friends in the past, the user may have decided to trim their friend list. Or your friend blocked you and Snapchat won't tell you if someone has blocked you, so this could be the reason for the pending message. Usually, someone who blocks you on Snapchat will completely hidden from you, however, and also your smartphone or tablet is not online maybe, and Snapchat won't work while offline, and it will display a waiting to send pending message until your smart device reconnects to a Wi-Fi or a 5G network. Also have another few options. For example, your Snapchat account is restricted, and if you're harassed out of your users or violated Snapchat policy, your app's functionality may be restricted. Also, a random Snapchat app glitch could be a problem for you, or the last session of it will be Snapchat could be down and the entire Snapchat service could be temporarily down with these sentences. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.